working on this custom splashover shirt. Basically what a splashover is when I take an existing piece that was already made, like a classic denim jacket, shirt, pair of jeans, and just kind of do my thing on it, give it a print, give it some life, wake it up a bit. It's fun taking something that's kind of like a basic classic denim piece and making it pop, making a splash. Literally. Doing this is so therapeutic too. Like a long day or something, you just kind of sit and paint and then see your work come to fruition. I remember when I first started doing this, that was the one thing that I loved, was untying the stuff and just seeing what the new print was going to be. And then people are always shocked. They're like, oh my God, you took that and this is what came of it? You did that!